Eric Forsberg, General Manager of MarineMax here in Minnesota and our 3 beautiful locations in Rogers, Excelsior, and Bayport. Sending you a message to let you know that we're going to do things a little bit different this winter. Not sure about boat shows. Boat shows across the country some are happening, some aren't, in a very different capacity. And truthfully, if we wait too long into the winter and close to spring, the likelihood of some boats being available is going to be slim. And so we're doing things a little bit different. With the high demand that we saw in 2020 and our manufacturers and our partnership with them on getting product for 2021, we want to allow you the opportunity in a safe environment to come in here to the Rogers show floor as we transform it multiple times throughout the winter. We're going to have Nautique week. We're going to have Ray and Aviara week, where all of those models are available for you to be able to see in a private VIP appointment. And then we're also going to do Boston Whaler and Harris. We're going to give you the opportunity to find the boat that you're going to want to use in 2021 in a safe environment and have it available when spring comes. And we know it's coming. It doesn't feel like it right now, but it's coming. So contact us, get engaged with your salesperson, come and check out all of the great models that we have available from Nautique, Ray, Aviara, Harris, and Boston Whaler, and let us take care of you this winter to boat in 2021.